Oh, shit. YouTube, what is going on? It is your boy Keezy. It ain't easy being Keezy. And in today's video, we are going to the UNDS, whatever you want to call it, out here in the Bay. I think this is their third event. I think so. We're heading there now. For those who don't know, UNDS is kind of like a newer event that's happening out here in the Bay Area. It's a sneaker event, buy, sell, trade. This time they've upgraded a lot of things. I think they're including food. I think they're including a trading pit. Of course, they're gonna have that bidding process, which is very different from other events that you've seen in the past as far as like sneaker cons go and the fix kicks and whatever other like local Bay Area like sneaker events there are. And that's the reason why I really like this type of event. It has a little bit more flair to it. It's a little bit different. They got raffles, all that kind of stuff too. Oh, and by the way, well, I had to park really far because there's no parking. Wearing these today. This is my first day wearing these. I've tried these on. They are used, of course. You probably saw the review already or may not have. But I told myself I'll start wearing a lot more of my Bapes. I bought these purposely to start wearing Bapes again. And also, I never really like tell you guys what shoes I have on during my vlogs, but maybe we'll start kind of doing that. So anyways, let's go ahead and walk over there now. You know, one thing I didn't think about is that these shoes actually might fall apart because they're like 15 years old. But hey, if it happens, it happens. Huh? For sure. How you doing?
I'm gonna find manager.
You need help? All right. Can I get a walkie-talkie to make it official? Hey, what's going on? How you doing? Nice to see you.
How are you? Good to see you too, man.
Just taking some photos?
Yeah, taking some photos, kicking it, chilling.
Saw fool.
What's up, fool?
How you doing? Nice to see you.
How you doing?
Good.
You good? Let me buy these shorts, man.
All right. Man, oh, they're so pretty.
Dude, they're so
They're
nice.
so
They're
pretty.
comfy.
They're so pretty. That's the best shoe here, bro.
Super.
Oh wait, hold on. Do you know what that is?
The Off-White?
No, the hoodie.
Oh, the hoodie.
Yo, this is real vintage.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's some 8.
That's crazy. I had one of these in high school.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's crazy.
That is crazy.
Box, show the box right there. Ooh, look at that. I was in the 3rd grade or something when that came out. Size 9, 2001 Royal Ones, starting price, $350. Do I have $350 in the house? $350 going once, going twice. $350 going 3 times? All right, $350 is off. Y'all tough crowd. All right, what y'all want? Size 10, signed by Yeezy. In calligraphy, not playing. The next one that I have, go ahead and take them out for you. Starting price on these, $160. $160 going once. Do I have $170? Who said $160? Right there, okay. $160 going twice. Sold $160. Come up to the stage and collect your shoes. Congratulations. Y'all not gonna clap when people win? Y'all hate me? Damn, what's wrong with y'all?
Okay, so I had to leave early from the event. I can't stay the whole time because I have to go fix something for the office. But really strangely enough, I got a DM from Trevor. If you guys know who Trevor is the one that runs Fugazi, the one that redid the Jordan 1s, okay? I don't know, I just got a message from him. I'm gonna put this in the vlog somehow. I don't really know where this is going necessarily, but we're gonna go up to the city. I got my keys. I'm gonna take the truck and I have to go buy some white paper for the new section of our office. And that's what we're doing today. So anyways, shout out to UNDS, shout out to everybody that helped the event. You guys did an amazing job. This was a lot bigger of an event than the last time. Anyways, good job guys. We're gonna head to the city. Let's go. Are you available to help? Looking for a 9-foot piece of white paper. Yeah.
The rolls?
Yeah. Oh, he's got it. Yeah.
Thank you.
I think that'll work. Not then. Gonna put it across. Moment of truth, this better work, man. This better work. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck, that backfired like a motherfucker. Fuck, god damn it. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. It stopped. Woo! Let's go get a clamp. I knew you were not going to be able to do it correctly. Okay. Ah, god damn you. This is as good as it's going to get for now. Okay, so, yeah, I think it worked. I think it worked pretty well, actually. I'm satisfied for the most part. The only reason I'm not satisfied, though, is if you go like that and you zoom out, you can see everything, right? You can see the wall. You can probably see this piping up here, kind of. You could probably even see that little hole down there. So it's like distracting. I mean, it's kind of like, it beats the purpose of using this space. I mean, but primarily this space is for this, so then you don't see it, and then we can, you know, do a lot of B-roll shots and whatever. But for me to work on this almost took like 3 weeks to almost a month because of things coming in the mail, buying these new lights, buying this. I bought one from Amazon. It didn't even end up coming in the mail. I was pretty pissed about that. But yeah, it works out. But again, this, what I want to know is that for anybody that made it this far into the video, do you even care about this like wall here? Like if I were to shoot B-roll shots of like how to styles and get like shots going this way, shots going that way, do you care that there is a wall here? It bugs me a little bit, but I just want to know for the viewers, do you care, or do you just care about seeing the product and the shoes and whatever? So anyways, I'm gonna close this video out here, and again, I apologize for not having that much UNDS footage. Let me zoom back in here. I'm not having that much UNDS footage, but I had to leave early, of course. I've been wanting to get this done for like a month, 3 weeks to a month. And it's finally here, so we finally get to kind of be back more on schedule and then make different types of videos for this channel, and then, you know, progress in that way. Anyways, without rambling too much, closing this out, make sure you guys and girls keep it locked right here for all your latest information from clothing, music to culture. It is your boy, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Hands one time with this dope shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, everybody on that bullshit ass bandwagon, man. But you know what I'm saying? Whatever happened to coming the dopest, baby. Whatever happened to coming dope, man. That's the only thing I want to know, man.